Month of October is supposed to be a month of breaking out for WKC, but reverse was the case because WKC went down from over 100 million market cap to 60 million market cap. What happened? Why did we experience this kind of a dip despite the bullishness of the community about WKC? We are going to uncover everything in this video, and I'm going to predict as well what will happen to WKC in the month of November. Let's get it started. If you are looking for a place where you can be getting a quick update about low caps and tiny coins, then you are in the right channel. Kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, and turn on that notification bell. On this channel, we talk about crypto, airdrop, and other legit platforms. What contributed to the dip we experienced in the month of October actually started with these tweets. This is a verified page of SMC researchers. This is a research team that is operating under the umbrella of SMC DAO. This is the tweet that actually led to the crazy dip we experienced in the price of WKC. SMC researchers tweeted, they said, "Fight of faith or a fight for profit. We have found 14 Tier 1 insider wallets that have profited a total of over $43,000 from Fight of Faith BNB, with only $3,000 donated to the cause. Over $40,000 has been recycled into the hands of insiders as pure profit." And after this post was made, there was a lot of fight, a lot of misunderstanding among WKC stakeholders. This is what actually happened. Fight of Faith token was created to support believers who were facing persecution in a certain part of Nigeria. However, SMC researchers discovered that instead of using the money gotten from this Fight of Faith token to actually help the believers, people are actually using it to profit themselves. And they continued, they posted, "We also took account of some notable people who shield FOF, that is Fight of Faith. Most importantly, Prophet Joel O, who came up with the idea in a now deleted tweet and also showed support after the launch as seen. We also saw a name recommendation from Eze Wilberforce, which was later used as the name and ticker." After the researchers has made their own post, Samapi also made this post. Samapi is the founder of WKC. He said, "I've had a very tired Sunday and a very busy week. I'm just waking up from sleep to see SMC researcher article. I have a personal relationship with Prophet Joel. I'm fond of Moses and Wilberforce too. I didn't know their first investigative research will be starting off like this, because what I saw them working on was something else. The only word I can use to describe it is that it is very audacious. On one hand, I gave them creative control to do research, which I'm starting to regret. On the other hand, I'll be letting an entire department down if I go back on my word. Please, let us exercise some restraint while I figure out next steps." Just for the sake of knowledge, people that are mentioned in this post are stakeholders and frontliners in WKC, talking about Prophet Joel, talking about Moses, and talking about Wilberforce. These people are actually a stakeholder when it comes to WKC and SMC DAO ecosystem. And Lord Crypto is saying, "I said it. I knew you were oblivious about all this happening. Thank God I'm right. God bless you, Samapi." And Ade is saying, "Don't back down, man. You've said nothing but the truth. Please stand your ground. What is wrong is wrong. Don't be pressured." You see, it may not be now, but sooner when the recasting will happen, many won't be able to endure the shame and pain. It is not as if most of these guys don't know the wickedness that's happening in the name of God said, but because they benefit from the cause, they can't talk. Wikilord is saying, "Remember, you said in your last post, nobody is bigger than God. I believe you will call a spade a spade." And Crypto Winrush is saying, "The investigation itself is good, but I think next time they need to verify with you before taking any action, and as well to consult the person involved in their investigation before publishing it. Anything good, when done wrongly, turns into something else. We appreciate you, our leader, and we pray the servant of God with the Spirit of God will let these things slide so that we can stay focused on the vision. We can handle this better as Christians. Apostle Osam is saying, do not allow yourself think that because God spoke, the devil won't find a way to sabotage the work. I love the audit and I love the project, but when accusations arise that involve the brotherhood, we should be prudent, sir. I know these men and their sacrifices. Care. Chico is saying, hear me as I speak, Samapi. Any day you call a spade a shovel, you too will be encapsulated in iniquity. Never forget what you represent. Never. My advice, let SMC researchers work without your influence. Let them do the difficult work of righteousness. End. Wikicat commentary is saying, beautiful, this is what I expected from a leader. Time to keep the community closer and focus on the goal. We can't be broken. Jonas King is saying, what is actually going on? I thought the 25 was going to be a good day for WKC. Jonas King, sorry, unexpected things just happened. I can't really cover everything that happened last week about misunderstandings and name callings online concerning some leaders and frontliners as far as WKC is concerned. But the good news is that it seems all these misunderstandings have been resolved. Because just yesterday, Samapi posted this and he said, on behalf of SMC, we extend our sincere apology to Prophet Joel O. While the research was important, we recognize that we fell short by releasing the article without engaging the concerned parties to share their perspective, which is a key tenet of balanced and professional journalism. SMC acknowledges this oversight. We have learned from the experience and we committed to upholding higher standards moving forward. I said again, our apologies extend to Eze Wilberforce and Agbo Moses 34 as well. And Agu is saying, much strong love, Samapi, truly a leader who takes accountability. Sir Prophet Joel, we sincerely apologize for all the troubles you have caused you. As SM stated, moving forward, we uphold higher standard. We appreciate your support and your prayers. WKC community loves you. And Blockchain is saying, the brotherhood is stronger. Let us focus on building without distractions. God bless you, Sir Mappy. Crypto enthusiast is saying, truth be told, your research wasn't wrong. You opened our eyes to certain evil. Though I understand why you had to make this post. God bless you, man of God. Cryptotonia is saying, peace and unity. Yes, Cryptotonia, that is what we want. Favor Victor is saying, this is the main reason why it may be difficult to attract foreign investors to African projects. We come to the public to wash our dirty lining. The world cannot take us seriously like this. Please concentrate on building your projects. Where Toshi is saying, it takes humility to take full responsibility. Thank you, Samapi, for the leader you are becoming, and our dear daddy, Prophet Joel O. Accept our unreserved apology. We love and celebrate you. Amber is saying, God bless you, boss, for this bold move. To every offended, we join our voices to say we are sorry. May everything that has happened be to the glory of God. Chidima is saying, I believe you choose this path just for peace and unity of the community. Not that the SMC researchers' findings were invalid. You are indeed an epitome of humility. God bless and keep you, sir. And Dara Aruwale is saying, humility in words and actions is the key to greatness. God himself honors the humble. God bless you, man of God. No matter how much the devil try against the children of God, in this space, he can never succeed. Keep doing the building, sir. You cannot be stopped. More grace. So guys, I think with the look of things, all these misunderstandings, I think it should have been resolved by now. Everything's been equal. Because these internal misunderstandings actually made some people to panic sell their WKC towards the end of October. But now that the Samapi, the leader of WKC, has done his best in resolving all these misunderstandings, hopefully we should experience a serious breakout concerning WKC in the month of November, and coupled with the fact that WKC might get listed in another top tier 1 exchange in the month of November. As the man has said that 7-11, we should be expecting something huge. That is what I want to share to you in this short video. Thanks for watching, guys, and let us meet in my next video.